Welcome to MeeLearn Chinese. Hey, it's Rose Lee. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the Chinese word 的 to express possessions. You will also learn when to skip the possessive 的 in certain situations. 我的家 my family. 我的妈妈 my mom. 我的爸爸 my dad. 我的哥哥 my older brother. 我的姐姐 my older sister. 我 me. 我的妈妈 my mom. 的 is used here to mark possessions. The sentence structure is like this. Noun 1 plus 的 plus noun 2. 的 is very similar to the English apostrophe s. It means noun 2 belongs to noun 1. Let's look at some examples. 我的妈妈 my mom. 妈妈的姐姐 mom's older sister. Other examples. 我的爸爸 my dad. 爸爸的哥哥 dad's older brother. 的 is normally skipped in these situations. First, when it involves a close relationship, for example, family or close friends. For example, 这是我妈妈 this is my mom. 这是我女朋友 this is my girlfriend. In these two situations, mom and girlfriend are both close relationship. So, skip the 的. If you leave the 的 in, it doesn't sound as natural as native speakers. 的 is also skipped in these situations. When it involves an organization, for example, school or company. For example, 这是我们学校 this is my school. 这是我们公司 this is my company. Note here that it's normal to use 我们 which is we instead of 我 I when this person is a member of this organization. If it's expressed as 我 which is I, it gives people the impression that this person owns this organization. Let's review. 家 family or home. 的 possessive particle. 我的家 my family. 我的妈妈 my mom. 我的爸爸 my dad. 我的哥哥 my older brother. 我的姐姐 my older sister. 这是我妈妈 this is my mom. 这是我女朋友 this is my girlfriend. 这是我们公司 this is my company. 这是我们学校 this is my school. Now it's time for a culture tip. 姐，帮我。
来了。
In Chinese culture, it's considered impolite to call someone older than you by their names. For example, if it's a man your grandparents' age, you can call this person 爷爷. 爷爷 means grandpa from dad's side, but it doesn't mean this person is related to you. Similar, if it's a woman your grandparents' age, you can call this person 奶奶. 奶奶 means grandma from dad's side. If it's a man your parents' age, you can call this person 叔叔. 叔叔 means dad's younger brother. If it's a woman your parents' age, you can call this person 阿姨, which means mom's sister. These people can even be total strangers. This way of addressing them is just to show respect. In our dialogue, older sister is called 姐姐, which is often shortened to 姐, and older brother is called 哥哥, which is often shortened to 哥. It's similar to the English expression bro or sis, but it's used a lot more often in Chinese. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!